Yeah, I actually have a lot to say on this topic, and I think it's the thing that I think the no win no fee is why I was so drawn to personal injury work. Because when I first started out, I handled just like my dad. I handled all kinds of I handled all kinds of different
Everything,
cases. I was
everything.
basically a street lawyer.
Yeah, you handled everything.
You walk in the door and you want me to take a probate case, I'm
Yeah,
your man. You want me to take a bankruptcy, I'm your man. You want me to take a family law case, I'm your man.
criminal.
Criminal
You tried
case,
big criminal
I
cases.
did. And so, and you know, and I always just felt really good about the personal injury cases because I never had to ask my client for any money. And the other types of cases, you know, if I did, I'd have to say, well, yes, I can represent you on that, but you'll need to pay me a retainer of X amount of dollars, and you're going to have to pay me hourly.
And it's kind of uncomfortable
It is
sometimes, because
uncomfortable.
you're like, hey, I'm going to do this for you and we're going to beat them. And hey, can you pay me some money? It's kind of, it is a little uncomfortable.
It is, and I never really liked, you know, asking people to give me money. And honestly, I probably did my law firm a little bit of a disservice, and I did things probably a lot cheaper than I should
Okay.
have because I did feel for the client's situation,
Right.
and if they told me that they had, you know, they were going through a really hard time, they really didn't have all that much money, and I'd say, okay, well, you know, do what you can, and
Yeah.
yes,
Yeah.
I'll take the case.
Yeah.
Um, but I felt a whole lot better about the personal injury cases that I handled during those days when I was handling a lot of different things. And the reason I felt good about it is because the client never had to come out of pocket any money to get fine legal representation.
And I think a lot of clients or a lot of potential clients don't really understand. They get injured and they don't, in their heads, they don't have the means or the money to hire a lawyer. And they don't understand that in personal injury, if we don't recover anything in the lawsuit or anything in the settlement, we don't charge a fee. We take on any cost there is, any burden that there is, financial burden, we take that on. And if we don't recover, we don't charge that to the client. The only way we ever get paid on a case is if we recover either through a trial or through a settlement. A lot of clients get scared about the attorney's fees, and that's why they end up settling with the other company, settling with an insurance company at a very low rate. And for lack of a better word, they get screwed by these big companies or these insurance companies because they don't understand that we will fight for them, win or lose. We fight the same whether we're going
Right.
to win or lose the case, and just like them, we have to wait till the very end to get paid as well.
That's right.